happened to you, honey? You alright?
Perfect timing. You know, say, come make a gas step for me.
Oh, you want me to make some tea for you?
That would do
All right,
good.
let me make some tea for you.
Thanks.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist.
Oh, so fast that tea I make, man. You hot though? Oh,
Yeah,
you
hot. Be careful. You good?
Yeah, man, I'm good.
Don't burn yourself. I tell you you're hot.
Boy.
Make your face look so.
Tea hot.
Take your time.
All right.
No, man, you have to drink some more.
You never do love them tea, Pete.
Take it easy.
Yeah, man. Babe, I don't know what I'm going to do in the garden, you know. Because anything you rub my back and all them something there, look at me, sit down, you lie down, and as me belch, so you did it. You know what I mean? Because you want to know something alright.
Mm-hmm.
I miss you, but I understand, say, this is the way I do. I feel all away, right?
Yeah, man.
You sure?
Yeah, man.
Are you not go here and go find a man, right?
No, man. That
You sure?
No, man.
Well,
you have to focus, you know. Focus. Remember, so we do this for us, for betterment. So, now no time for them. There's something there.
Alright. I trust
You
you,
have
know.
to trust.
I trust you, man. I trust you. Know yourself. You see, because we click. Great minds think alike. You know what I mean? But me thank you for the tea. You know what I mean?
You want anything else?
No, man. Just I'll get some.
Alright, get some rest. And we check in back, and so just let me know if you need anything.
No problem.
Else. Alright?
I'll tell them, man. Alright. So I'm going to stretch out my foot and relax a little bit here.
Alright.
Alright, later on.
Alright, call me when out on the veranda, yeah.
Alright. Later.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
I got me saying, I swear.
Me too. You know, over the years we have our ups and downs, our fight, but see, God bless us and we get the opportunity for going. So me I go, set myself up and make things right for the two of you. And as soon as we get situated and set up, I go take care of you and take care of my niece and see if we can get to know you and get to know situated.
Sherland, wait, let me time me here, because it's going on my face. I don't want you to build up my hopes, you know. You have some family, me never say you, because I come from far away. Same mother, same father. I don't want when you reach a foreign, you forgot about me. I remember saying me have your niece, my daughter, and his father. Nah, give me nothing, you know. A whole heap of place me and you go watch people dirty clothes and see it if it's true, as what you say, God help we. And I hope you don't come build up my hopes, you know, make me a depend on you, you know, when I don't have you, because I remember say Leila little, and I the only niece you have, and me your only sister. We are come from far, so don't forget about it.
No, man, we not forget about you, no, man. You see, like we say, God give us a breakthrough, and me I go and do everything in my power to help. But at the same time, you have to be patient because, you know, at the first, I go and me here say, and I really better rose, but I have to get myself situated first. And as soon as I get myself situated, I not forget no man. I go help the two of you.
I understand.
You know, so just be patient. If you know when me go, you know, hear from me right away, and I forget you or anything. You know, I try to sort myself out.
And me, I first person you have to call.
Yeah, man, me I go do that, man. Me I go do that.
Okay.
Me I go do that. But like me
Alright.
say, me know how you can get impatient. So if you know hear from me and nothing, just be patient. As soon as me get situated, me will call.
You know, so when me hungry, me we get
Me
impatient.
know, but just be patient. You know, like me said, this is the breakthrough we get. Me not forget about you, man.
You know, so I'm glad you come spend Christmas with me.
Me too.
At the happiest time of my life. I wouldn't mind the day here for New Year. Sherlan, I you send money for me so I can buy enough nice things. No mind her one nosy neighbor me have. Enough nice things for your niece. You hear?
Yeah, man, me have
Yeah.
to make she deck out. You know, see how she pretty.
That's how she stay.
Deck you out, man.
So she stay, the neighbor there. No look on her because I don't want she knows me I tell about her. She fast. Everybody will come here to me. She just up in my business and tell me business and tell people out the road. Inquisitive, but you can't say hi because I don't want she knows say she me I tell about. So just turn on and say hi.
Hello.
Wait, it look like I ride this a come. Yes, I it. And that same man there we did get man. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, I him. Yes, I him. I him.
Alright.
Thank God. Oh God.
All right,
Come,
bye.
walk yourself, walk yourself. Finally arrived. Okay. Come. Come inside. Come, baby. Kiss auntie.
Alright.
Kiss auntie. Tell auntie bye.
See you soon.
Tell auntie bye. Good
Bye.
girl. Good
Pretty
girl.
girl. See you
Come.
soon.
All right, come. Stay right here, so mama. Stay right here, so. Wait, baby, wait. Driver, you couldn't help me take up the suitcase and put in something.
You know, so actually, I want to go back problem and I don't really lift up nothing for right now.
You know, I notice with some on the driver, I want to charge the people them money per money and then, can you imagine? You just sit down in I don't like anyway, I don't want no contention. Go on. Drive safe with my sister. You hear?
Alright.
I don't want no contention at all. Be careful and drive safe.
All
Boy,
right,
this a
love
drive-
you, sister.
Love
See
you.
See
Bye.
you soon. Talk
Drive
to you
safe.
soon. Bye.
As you reach, call me. Me baby.
Alright.
You know, say driver wicked. He couldn't help take up his suitcase, put in a vehicle. Me can't stand them, man. Watch them. I hope him take
Delta.
care of my sister. Can't wait till he reach over if he come give me some money.
You don't see me I come? You are going like you don't see me.
What do you mean me go like me not see you? Me not look for you. Where you do in my yard? How much?
I'm pick me call look for where Leila there.
Me tired of you.
Every minute are the same thing. Why you pick me there? Why you tired of the baby father?
You don't talk, me I listen to you. Because I know when you talk, me I talk. Because when me I talk, you don't like it, so me I listen to you. One way you come to me about?
More I'm see me pick me, more see me youth right now.
Are you youth you want to see?
Yeah.
Just your youth.
Yeah, just see me. So I can't see you too.
Why you want to see me? Oi, wait there. Because I'm tired, me I come from far. Dwayne, where you come to me about?
Me come to
You come to me about your child or you come for a different thing? What you talk about?
alright, more see me pick me, when me. What make you go on so? You go on like say I know me and you for day. You must say how we say forever, you know.
Look here. Me, you're done. You look like you don't know what done mean. Finish. Eh? Finish. It over between We. There is no more we nor us. I just me. I'm a new man. New man in my life. See my ring finger here. Look here. Awa.
So yeah, so you're married.
You want to see right ring finger, you're not going to see it. Let me tell you something. Me not married yet, but me about to. And me don't want you come in my life, come mash it up. Let me tell you something. The way I did love you doing, me can't believe you cheat on me. Me can't believe you deal with me so. The way me can't believe you don't want to mind the one pitney way you have. The way you diss me feel much millions of girls out there, so when not even mean you no good. Every money where you get, you take it, give them, and then you come back to me, every minute you come, you want sex. With whom me? A breeder want to come breed me again, doing? Yes. Remember the last time I give you? Baby, you know, so I love you, I give you everything. And this time I want twin, I want. Hell no. No twin, no single, no triplet. You ain't gonna breed me no more. Move from my gate.
You see you. You will always be you.
Hello.
You can't change.
Hello.
You're not changing, you know?
Me not change. I am not money. It's only money you change.
Me think you that change.
Dwayne, the only change me go change is to Jesus. Not for you. Not for you. You're bright.
Make sure you say next time I come back, I see me pitney.
Hello. Me did go in, but me not bother. If you in the mind your pitney, me wouldn't broke up for your next man. See me and want me. The man will find me know the use of me. Your workless now. Go on in your yard. Big and workless and thief. Like, you used to go thief 40 people them sitting out of market. Come give me for buy baby feed for me pitney. Me no want it no more. Cause me no want no more sin down me baby throat. You're bright. Bright. Me can lock me gate. You're out of there. Out of there. Come back and me gate a dash water upon you. When you don't have good woman in your life, you don't know. You take up the crosses them now, they must sit nyam off all of your money and come back. Where? Bright. Me a come in and me yard good, me come about, you know, I call you. Who you? Don't call me. Me not like you. Bright. Next time you come here, I call round Rex neck in nyam off your foot.
Girl, you have people not put them place for. How are you do around here, so? Sweep me and sweep up. Hey, long time I don't see you now. I have some story to tell you. A be a story, me alone can't keep it in them. Yeah. Be a story. You know, say woman over here, so Ghana foreign. So that have to do with you just love people business, so. What day I see her put her sister on taxi for go airport, but me don't know in myself. Say, she gone, she take over woman man. Hey! But they have to hear story. Me, no miss me. Me, them ears I ever clean. They I ever see. Just a wait.
Me depend now, cause me in a mix up thing. So me, look more, me I go get ready to go to church. So me I go and sleep up with her. Anyway, I can't go and back. Go look pan where I look pan.
But church, what church I go?
Jada!
Hey boy, where you call up my name for?
You know a long time mommy I look for you wash up plate them armchair.
Shut your mouth and go, man. Where you follow me for?
I see a love road.
You chat too much.
Yo, listen to me now.
Shut your mouth.
Mommy here say, you know, stop. Gossip down here. Yeah, chat. All your neighbor come down here and I report to mommy say, you know, stop chat. What kind of style that? Come wash your plate them. If you
Wait till me come round. You're going like a yard big man.
Yo, I'm tell you this, mama.
Good on the yard and follow me up. Where you follow me up?
Yo, what kind of style that you're going in?
Move right front of me before I clock you. Good on that pull me. One to you. I will send you up here, so. Good on
Don't move me.
Just a walk and a follow, man. You stop following me,
Stop
man.
talking up,
You chat too much, man.
like yourself.
So gate we give me boasting tone. Sure. I don't know if sis not hurry up and put on this sitting funny. You know what? Make me call you before me go down there so you know down at Western Union, you know, cause God know. Me nah. Well, when I go down there, I have a number for collect it. Hey sis. Who this answer phone? Sherlan? Oh, your voice sounds so different, girl. Yeah. Yeah, I know say you send it off already, but you need to take the picture of the receipt and then send it to my phone so I can get the transfer number. So then call it. I need the number where you slip on it so I can put it on the slip to collect the money. Yeah. Just send it on WhatsApp to me. Alright. Yeah, thanks. I straight down the go right now, because right now me broke. Hi.
Hey, well gone.
You good?
Yeah.
Where are you dealing? Where you come from in this one?
You come find the hardware there.
How long are they selling this one?
So, tool and then something like.
So I don't see you come out with nothing. You just walk going there so.
Just me have things in my bag, man.
I don't have time for waste. I go by Western Union.
Alright.
Alright, later.
Yeah.
Girl, the fast, you see? Love fast, not people business. I call my sister. Wait. I can't believe my sister sent so much money for me. Backside. I'm in New Year's money this. So I know some my sister love me, you know. Let me see, wait there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,800. I'm not the way I'm glad. Father God, the way I'm glad when I receive the money. MoneyGram. MoneyGram, I did get it from our restaurant. One of them, Father God, I don't know me go. But, thank you, Jesus, my sister sent money, come give me. I'm not telling her like best sister and I hold her. Make a call her and tell her so I receive it. Make she know so I get it. Because I know when she over there stressed out. Boy, I can go buy one suit for my baby. Alright. Answer phone. Sherlan, me get the money, my sister. I mean how much me get? 9,800. Thank you very much. I love you so much. You soon send more money for me? I lie. Oh, that I go for your niece. How look you got niece about? How is this? No, I'm not going to use any money I send for your niece. I'm not using it, you mad? But you idiot. Me bigger than her, a little baby that me have to go spend it for her, but I'm not going to take none out there. I go buy what you have to buy for her. Yeah. Anyway, you see a man. Down on the road, me pass him in the year. No, I don't see me no woman down there. You know, say any of me see me no girl, me have to tell you. You're my sister, you know. My only sister. But when mother gone and left. Yeah. So it's just me, you and the niece. And maybe your man. What? What you mean when me say maybe your man? Yeah, me know say a man, but you know he come down already. Upon the road in the way I do out there so. I know say I'm a big man, I don't watch him, I no business with him. But anyhow, I see my chat to no girl, I go tell you, ain't too bright. Pass and call to him other day and him go like, you know, answer. I not look him. You should have known that to say I don't want your man. I would never look your man, you is my sister. I not do that to you, girl. Okay, you know I love you too. And when they come down, you think you want an iPhone for me. Yes. I know you're just gonna and come back for now. Anything I see him do, I go tell him. I go tell you, not him. A mistake I make. You know, sometimes I no sense already, you know. For true. But you have to send more money come give me for me carry news upon him. I watch him too. Yeah. Any girl me see in chat to me, they tell you. You're mad, my sister? I know say you love him. Okay, alright then. I know I love you already. Thanks for the money. What ya? Stop shame me so. Boy, you hear me a chat about, you don't know if I'm MoneyGram or Western Union me go. I joke me did that make. Me no must know me collect money. No, say a real mascot. Alright, thanks. Yeah. I'll go out the door, you know. I feel thirsty. I go to shop go buy one water. Alright, cool. Later. Yeah, man. Love you too. Big up yourself, sis. All the way. Alright, cool. Yeah. Make sure turn the thing about me. They go down now. We go buy no water. Me I go knock up on the door over in room. And see when you over there they look. And I know me ear sitting like a while in there. And go look. And who in there? Because me just hear somebody in there.
Hello?
Can come in.
Who that? Hello?
Candy. Now come in.
Yeah, man,
All
come. Oh, go on.
I said I have something to say to your friend the other day.
To me?
Yeah. I know nothing bad.
It sound like something bad me do.
No. You don't do nothing bad. I just have to tell you the truth. I can't keep it no more.
Your sister just gone and your sister have to talk to me, understand?
No, you don't want to talk to.
Me?
I know nothing bad, man.
You want to go on then? This is something serious.
I like how you sit up because there's something important to tell you, you know?
No. No bother with that.
Oh,
See, touching thing, remember, you know, and your sister me there with, and I love your sister. And there's nothing can separate me from your sister. And look how she just leave. Okay. Me hope I know what me are thinking in my brain, you come to me with.
Me and I think the same thing. Because, you see what I think? I think for me going to business, but it look like it on a different level.
What kind of business you talking about?
You know, say, I'm a secret admirer for a long time and you're going like you don't know too.
No, that
How
can't.
happened? Maka joke you?
No, hot. It's that situation hot. Listen to me.
You have to hot.
Listen to me.
Because I like you a long time. No. Please, just hear me out. I like you for true. My sister not have to know about it.
No, you can't say that.
No. But how she going to know? Me not tell her, you going to tell her?
Me, I go tell her.
But are the two we are going to know? If me not tell her, no more you are going to tell her. Then I say you love chat, you chat too much.
You chat too much.
We
Me
can't
can't.
keep- no.
Listen, your sister
Please,
has
no,
done
please.
so much for me, and she has been so good to you. And
My
I know
sister
say-
not give me nothing. She not do me. She not.
She not just send the money.
Who tell you that?
She tell me, my sister no hide no information.
My sister not send no money.
You cannot be this cruel. Look how she had tried for we. And we, you know, right over there, so now
You
I
can
can't.
talk about that, but when we get into this, just
No.
just please, no, just
No, bother. My phone.
Oh, yeah, go.
Listen to me, I say.
Wow.
Don't do that.
How it happen?
Me, I say, all right, here we go. I think it's something hot for your head. Just think about it first.
Me I think about it.
No,
That's
think-
why I know why your rain to fall in
No,
my
no,
memory.
no,
Please,
no,
me, I
no,
beg you.
no, bother.
Please. What make you go on so? I mean, you alone the in here, nobody no know.
Get me some water. Me thirsty.
No. You
Listen
know,
to me.
long.
Me thirsty. All right. Let me think about it. Cool me down and me think about it. Just get me some water.
So me I can't sleep tonight.
All right.
Just one night.
But just
One
get
night.
me some water first.
No water, no dear. Water
Get me
gone.
some
Just
water.
let me
first.
sleep.
Get me some water. Just get me some water.
No, just.
No, man,
wait,
listen, man.
hold on,
No. Wait. Work with me, no, man.
What me to do? Get the water?
Work with me, yeah. Get the water.
And then-
Yeah, because right now, me have to think about certain things. Let's get the water and then come back.
You have condom?
Everything there. That's
All
it.
right.
Get the water.
So, babe, them may have sympathy today. You can't just make you lie down with
No. Get the water first. Yeah, please, hot.
All right.
At Jamaica, we're there, you know.
Me soon come in.
Get the
now?
water, yeah. Let's get the water, I'll come back. Yeah?
Just one cup of water you want?
One cup of water.
All right.
With ice, yeah?
Yeah.
But it's mommy. Never expect this. What do you want?
Open the door.
Want to you? Come back tomorrow.
See water here.
Me no want it. Me no want water. Throw in your face and cool out.
You're not better thirsty again?
No, I'm not thirsty again. Are you thirsty? Drink it. Drink some of my water and cool down.
All right, I want to talk to you.
Me no want to talk to you right now. Not right now. Tomorrow.
All right, me gone in my room.
Yeah, man. Go in your room, man. Go in your room. What is that?
You can't just let me in, please.
No.
Why?
Where you going like you're psycho? Don't do this to me, man. Me can't take this now, man.
You tell me say you have condom.
That nothing to do with it. Candy,
Huh?
from 6 hours ago you there, sir?
Look how me beg you to let me in.
Candy, you really there, sir, asleep?
Are you may wait one for open up the door?
Candy, alright, here I go on. You have to understand the situation. See, you can't pressure me. This is your plan. You can't be so. Are you still having water, yes, sir?
You send me for your water, so me things you want it.
Candy, listen to me. Go and go sleep. Candy, remember, say we're all adults here. You understand? We're adults. Your sister just gone, you know. Right now, my body tired. When she come in the room and we are doing things and hear a certain sound, what do you think we're doing? Pray? Read the Bible? Just easy, man. Tomorrow, just sleep it off. And if you have the same feeling tomorrow, take it to the pastor and pray about it. We can't do nothing fail to. See? So go on your bed, go sleep. Let's go cool out. Tomorrow we talk, more you go on. Come.
One on it.
Come on, come.
Wait.
Take the phone. Give me the water. Thanks for your water. Let's go on.
Wait, hold on. You do all of the talking. It's my body. And this is your body. My sister body different from my body. Right now, I feel like I put my body on your body.
Right.
So, hold on, the way I talk about pasta, then if I feel like heat in the night, you know, because ice can me put pan if you cool it down, because you look like, you know, come here, go in.
Listen to me, man. No, hear me. Come here, man. Listen. Lock the door, because I don't understand. Over there, son. Me over here, son. Cool out till tomorrow. Go on.
Just follow me going in my room,
I don't
please.
need to follow you. You know your way. Light in there. Turn on the light and go along your bed. Tomorrow we talk. Christ.
Public.
Hello. You still
Come here
upon
1
something?
minute, please.
Eh?
Come here 1 minute.
Me tell her with this stuff go on. Me can't bother with this, you know.
Public. I just thought me come to talk to you.
Me no want
I
alright,
know
talk.
that again, my youth.
Eh?
I something me come to talk to you about.
Yeah, but I see something you're talking about from yesterday. Me depend that.
You come me talk to you or what? Or your door open? What? Go
No,
on,
let's
no?
talk this, sir. What really are going on?
Just come open the door and me talk to you. No, me
Yeah,
don't want
tell
the
her-
next door neighbor to hear me until you say.
Yo, just talk, man. Me can't depend that way upon you. And that's a problem.
Alright then, me just come apologize to what me did do. You know what me did that try to do already.
Okay, no, you
Just come
sound.
me talk to you now, please.
No, you sound like. Alright, see talking. No, you sound like cause you have to know say something wrong.
Me
here,
can
man.
come in.
Yeah, man, come in and stand up, brother, sir.
Me sorry for what happened. Here, I'm serious, me mean it.
You sure?
I joke me did that make me never serious. Me sorry, I wouldn't like for me and my sister have anything because of that. So me ask her, please, if you can bother tell my sister about it.
Well,
Me not gonna do it again.
if I can guarantee say it's a mistake and you not do it again, maybe accept the apology. But you see, if I something where you just try to come in the room and all of this, then I go tell her because nothing can work between me and you.
I joke me did that make me never serious. I just joke me did that sleep and me did that think something. But not about you, you know. Me just a think about and me did kind of feel one funny way too. Something many think about. And I have to tell you what. Me did feel one funny way, like my front up jump.
You understand?
So I just did think say you that agree with me for me. Yeah, you know?
Well, as me say, the situation is the situation. And, you know, you have to do what you have to do. You understand? But you have to understand some respect and love for your sister and for your sister.
I that me
You know,
sister,
this,
you love me sister. You don't like me.
No, me like you as a sister-in-law.
Oh.
You understand me? I say, but you have to understand, say, I just decide that. You can't go no further. You understand me I say? So just accept that.
Me accept it.
Me can't, alright, here me go do for you. Me have one virgin, you know. Same Rasta, all them things, me know you go like him.
I lie.
Yeah, me I say him come.
You look like you?
No, not this long. Here I go. Yeah, him look like me of course.
Shame me and
Yeah,
debate
shame.
me
No,
go
man,
slow,
this-
me not do nothing.
No man, I better have me and for your sister holy matrimony. You understand me I say? After me. No, over yourself, man. See, birth me I come bring in for you see. And go, yeah, trust me, and go work a while. In fun, you know what I mean? I'm a virgin for a long time.
Not tell no lie, I'm jealous over my sister. I wish me find one man like how she find
They're
you.
gonna make you find it. Know yourself.
And see a man like you?
When him forward in, just trust me. You're gonna happy. You understand me? I say, I know how to deal with the ladies them. You know what I mean? He's a ladies man.
You have teeth?
Yeah man, yeah, all about teeth. Not all about the
Your
teeth.
teeth they not rotten.
Listen to me man. I never rotten teeth. I want a decent person.
But me
Man.
don't tell you already so me not like some man with rotten teeth.
No,
And then me have to
man.
go kiss them. Me can't bother with that.
Don't worry about that man. I don't think it is right. Don't worry about that. Yeah?
Anyway, me not keep up your time. I
Respect.
just
Respect
tell
her
me
manners.
come to tell us I'm sorry about what happened.
Me not gonna tell her. Me not
And me
gonna tell her.
ask if you not tell me sister. You promise?
Me promise. From you,
Public
stick
is
to your
serious, you
word.
know.
From stick to your word, everything good.
Probably me serious.
Me know you
see,
serious.
anyhow you tell me sister say me come in here. Cause me want things with you and make me and my sister have nothing. Me
Sure,
tell
yeah.
lie pan you say you did that hold me down in my room and you have to pay me if you not tell lie pan. You think me not joking? Watch and see. Me not joking. You will say you never want to do it with me, you will see. Me serious. You better not say it to my sister. Make she call me and ask me not
Alright.
nasty.
It done that so. It done that so. See?
You that still lie when me tell pan
It
you.
done that so. It done that so. Respect her man. What a sister-in-law is, man.
We are go so early.
Every time you see me, you come ask me what they go on, where they go on. What they go on? You tell me.
We are go so early. Make sure you send a rasta. I go check you know.
Rasta. Which Rasta that? How much Rasta there in Jamaica in the world? Me did tell her, see it? See it there? See it there? That's why she always asks me what they go on, Father God. Why you want to know my business so? How what happen? How what you hear about? You know see a new year this 2023 and you carry your dirty style from last year coming at this a new year. Yeah? Love no people business. You have to drop off the old style, man.
Oh, sir. Come here, say a rasta there.
You see it there again? No judge, no take ear
I
say.
don't know if I true, you know, but I want me here.
You believe. You see when they ask me.
Me just ask.
That with Uno.
If he hear, if I true say on the rasta there.
So why is me and him there?
Me hear say, you on the rasta there. Son of your sister, man.
So you come fast in my business now. Yes, I'm my sister man now. Me did tell you say me and my sister man there. Me could have ever known say I'm my sister man and me go there with my sister man. You think me and you are the same thing? Lady, I come for work or you come for my people business? Or my sister man I look you?
Oh, me hear people talk.
You hear people attack or you make up a story?
Me no make up a thing. I want to know the fraud around the place, I tell me. But me work here.
Yo, you know me?
No, me no know you.
You don't know me? Eh? You don't know me, that's why you're not fast in people business.
I girl, we are fast
Hey
in
girl,
your
let me
business.
tell you something.
I really worry me. And I just tell the way people them a talk about they there with the sister man. Me no come for that man.
Oi,
Me
Tappy.
no come for that
Man.
man.
Mind you make people them in the area, yes, and me there with my sister man.
Nobody
Because
nah
the
hear, man.
irks.
Listen to me no man.
Irks. Me no want to hear nothing from you. Girl, mind what you talk about my sister man. Me no like when no girl talk about my sister man. All when me and him no there. And me no want him, so nobody get it twisted. Girl, you say if I never want thing, I mean they go somewhere. You will sue me do it out here. I make you lose all your job because upon the premises you're there, you come to go in argument with me.
Alright.
I know you're a man.
Alright, you say
You
you're
see?
saucy. Me, I go take my time come go on work because I don't want to lose
You're
my
better.
job.
You're
stand
better.
lucky, say me I tell you, when me hear people them a chat say, I
I'm not
watch
interested.
it, girl. Can't tell me. Don't worry yourself.
And
Me
you
gonna
are one next
work.
news carrier, because I never
No.
ask you anything.
You not have to ask me nothing, mama.
And me ain't no friend neither.
Listen to me, man. You not have to ask me nothing.
Look here.
I tell you.
Hello, you
Tell
say look
me, I
like
tell her to put
upstairs
them-
and downstairs and underneath the
I-
toilet. If I lick your fat girl, you know what, me come go along
Me,
with business.
go the kid girl, we are watch your business.
Mind you lose a job, you know.
Me not
And
lose
me
my
yard you
job.
there. Oi.
Gonna work.
Inna
Bye-bye.
me yard you
Goodbye.
there. Careful of what you
Goodbye.
do.
I'm going to work.
Girl, you not
Later.
even know who you are talking.
Later,
I
call
tell you
you-
now no time, you know if you bust up your face.
Go on.
Wait. Worry yourself. Watch me and you will do it again. Rank.
Bush Cash,
Yo, dog.
why come give me a link here, car, yo.
Oh. Yo, dog, what go on?
I'm there, bro.
Yeah, deal. Judge.
Then I get down, rude boy, believe me.
Yeah.
That vibe's never showing, brother.
Yeah, yeah. Come here, I said judge from where they am not even see you, dog.
Yo, look at all the reason for this.
All right.
I know some mom's there. Mom's there, you know true?
Yeah, man.
I tell you, man.
Yeah. I tell you, dog.
Yo, that situation, yeah. Yeah, come reason with the book, yeah.
You see it?
I don't know, so yeah.
Yeah,
I'm
man.
whole like girl, you know.
Cool,
You know
yeah,
what I mean?
man. For real.
So you are going now, you see?
Mhm.
You don't know, say me as a brother wanna really run around and
Yeah.
but you're the one who always have the whole like woman the man thing, you know what I mean? So I really help no one from you, cause you're for me sister,
Yeah.
woman. I try to run on for me, bro.
Eh.
I'm gonna depend on that. You know what I mean?
Judge of God, brother, hear me I tell you so. See? You know say, right now, daddy, you have to take a one bang and fight, you know, because I guess what go on, that she want. You man have to know what go on, no, dog. Remember me I tell you.
Well, that I'm afraid of, bro.
Mm.
Cause I guess I know. Me really and truly know I mash up things. Remember say a long time I was struggling, you know. I must say you are when save me when Pauline went running for me certain way. You understand me I
Brother,
say?
take a one chance, brother. Go on, yo, you can get a one bang. Cause you don't know a thing going on there.
That's
Get a
right,
one
man.
bang, daddy.
Brother, I don't really want to go back to the road there.
So, yo, I'm tell you what go on. Zane, right now, brother. You see, once she comes to a woman and go on like say she want to pressure you with the thing. I not tell you if you do it still, but if you want to do it still. You know what I say?
You
But
may say, you may say, bro. And you more have to come up there.
me,
And come lock her up. Cause I don't know if you think, but you have the blingers, you know what I mean, and all these things. Maybe I can drive all, you know what I mean? Because you don't know, say maybe I something she look, but brother, can't mash up my relationship because of that. You understand me I say? Cause you enough woman just fly out, you know. You understand me I say? And yo, you see if she don't deserve it, you see if my one when deserve them kind of thing, but I running. But because she too loyal, bro. You understand me I say? So I really and true me come link you, more you for running.
right now, now come up back on guitar page. Because right now, come like
That
all
man.
mile up, that is it.
I tell you, bro.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I don't know a thing. A long time we are rolling, I know exactly some certain vibe, but
You say she look good.
yeah, man, a decent browning, man. You know what I mean? Browning man, come on, say browning man, I feel thing, you know?
I brown in them, I say, daddy.
I tell you so, you know
Love
what I
black
mean?
woman still, but...
Yeah, yeah, I know that vibe, you know what I mean? But,
Yeah, man.
yo, so you say, tomorrow,
Tomorrow, I come up back on link her and, you know, all her vibes, have a drink and see what I go and introduce me to her.
Yeah.
And see what I go on.
all right, brother. Here we go. Respect a man as
Yeah.
Yo, I'm glad
Big
you
up
saved me,
yourself.
Bush
Go
Cash.
love her,
Yo,
go love her.
respect in the brother.
Yeah, man,
See?
I do it, man.
All right, my
Man.
boss. Cool, cool.
Boy, I tell you, say, you man, them care too much, daddy. Judge.
Why you take so long to answer your phone? You know how long me they call you? What do you mean, so when I call you for? I just want to call you to talk to you about something. How are you there? You asleep? Okay, good. You're there, your bed. Oh. Alright. I just think many things about something, man. So I just feel like to call you and I call you. Me can't call you? Okay, you see you around in your room. Alright. May I go back on bed? Alright. I wonder if I feel grow in the Father God. All along me I try, you know. For me and him in things. Father God, you can just answer my prayer tonight. God knows I'm lonely. I don't have nobody. But me ask you one question, Jesus. You think you're wrong for doing with my sister, man? You gotta keep it a secret and don't make you know. Jesus. Boy, I don't tell no lie. A long time I pray for one good man, you know. I'm jealous over my sister, man, Father God. You can't just find one good man for me. I don't really want to do with my sister, man, you know. I just feel me lonely and I need somebody in my life, one good man. Because a day crosses me and buck up on. Look like the devil don't like me and he like my sister. I don't want he like me. I have to get that man there. And me and my sister go there with the same man. You agree with me, Jesus? What you say? You not agree? I know say you not agree. But me ask if you forgive me before me do it. Please me I beg you. I don't be a face, me be a face. I just, you know, I didn't stupid thing me I come in my head and you know me feel lonely, you know. Me I try, me I grow on there. Father God, if you know, say me go get in a trouble, do tap me on the way, but me I go try and see if me can go in and mean things with me here. Alright. I have nobody else to talk to, Father God. I just you one. Right now, I don't know how my body feels so. I swear. I don't know how my body feels so. I just feel one weird way. You know, like I call my body a call. Please, me I beg you, just cool down if you me, please. If you want me to drop asleep or me groan, they just tell me, please, me I beg you. I don't know how me feel so, please. Alright, you think I paid me one bed, Jesus? Because I never bathe from morning, you know, and my body feel hot, you know, in a heat. I'm going to knock on the door, but not tell nobody. You know, say not tell nobody. You're my best friend.
Don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're gentle and wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
I don't understand. I'm not saying I go back in bed. So I trick me. You think you can trick me? Alright, Mr. Public. Are your room this and anywhere there you have to come back tonight. Okay, if you sleep on me, they tell me, sister. Anybody you have to sleep with and me. You're not supposed to sleep with no other girl. Only my sister and me, and my sister not there. So me in charge. Bright. Trick me. Think I'm that I come. Alright, I gonna surprise you. Left your door open, me no know if you want. Like you want me come in your room to your two general. I might lock out your backside out of your own room. And I lock you because I want to hold you when you come back in here. You think I saw it I go? The way my body in a heat round this one, you a man in the building and not service me. But you love my sister, everything good. Me I sit down until you come back or me lie down and sleep. Watch out. How is this? Tissue and bone, it look like he have running belly. And he name too much. And now get that bone when you come back. Watch me here. Bright. Lucky. Like he have running belly. I can't get no front. How long my sister gonna have her? I don't want to tell if a woman ain't gonna look at road. I mean the years so well thirsty and hot and then beg him just for one service. Come in and go do it again with him. I just want to cool down a little bit. I'm doing about him business. Oh, God. No. I don't want no more that dirty bunny. They came near me. You must think me I did for you. You try go over this. Come over this. Sometimes I have to chat to myself. Because I want a man and I not none. Sister going like I said she's special. They are foreigner man out here they wait for him. Oh, my sister going like she's special so. In Father God. So what do me make me can't get no man? Father God, I'm a sister. I better me take my sister man more than go take other people when me and them man know nothing and any cause problem. My sister will see with me and say me and my sister, make me you keep it safe man. I bet my sister do it. We are blood thick and water. I think I saw it go. I have to do it tonight. Watch me and him. I wait till him come.
Candy, what you doing in my room?
You come back in how long me I wait for you?
What do you mean wait for me for?
Hold on there.
No, sir, you're man. You keep...
No, we
Me
are
gonna
go.
make this up. No, sir.
Just waste my time. Can't believe. You want to tell me say I waste my time? You come and then run out and you see me in your bed naked. I wonder if you afraid of front. Because my front fatter than my sister front, you know. I used to see it when I was little. I used to be there. Come go in my room, man. You know, so I never talk about something here, though, God. Really and truly, I'm my sister, man. And I shouldn't have look him. You're wrong. I go find a man for myself, Father God. Yeah. And I nothing more with him. Me talk to him as my brother-in-law. But me not look him again, because you're wrong. Sister, not for deal with sister, man. Find your one, man. That made it thing for a long time, you know, Father God. You couldn't tell me? Boy, I make the biggest mistake. But I'm glad I never do nothing with him, you know. I don't know my sister how that feels. Go on in my room. Better me go back and go bed and cool down myself. Dirty tissue. Name them. I see I've running belly make I use so much tissue.
Hello? Hey, what's up? Oh, yeah, man. You know, say, me get a little break, and since me come and me was so busy, me never get chance to call you. So I just want to touch base, to make you know say everything all right, and you know worry and everything. But you're good though. What you say? You have something to tell me? About who? No, man. My sister? No, a joke can't make, man. No, man. A joke can't joke. No. No, man. No. My sister would have never do something like that. No, me can't swear for her. No. You know what? Like me say, me dey on one little break, you know. So, me will call you back later. We talk tomorrow. All right?